Are you a long-term Windows user wondering whether it's time to switch from Windows 8.1 to Windows 11? With Windows 11 now fully matured in 2026, it's worth comparing the two systems to see what you gain and what you might miss by upgrading. In this video, we'll break down the differences, benefits, and considerations for long-term users. First, let's talk about design and interface. Windows 11 has a modern, streamlined look with centered icons, rounded corners, and a focus on minimalism, whereas Windows 8.1 still uses the older tile-based interface. For users transitioning from 8.1, this new design may take some getting used to, but it's optimized for both productivity and visual appeal, especially on high-resolution displays. Next, performance and hardware support. Windows 11 is built for modern hardware, which means faster boot times, better memory management, and improved support for SSDs, multi-core processors, and modern graphics. While Windows 8.1 still runs on older machines, upgrading to 11 can give long-term users a noticeable boost in speed and responsiveness if their device meets the requirements. Productivity features are another major difference. Windows 11 introduces snap layouts, virtual desktops, widgets, and AI-powered tools like Copilot that Windows 8.1 lacks entirely. These features help you multitask efficiently, stay organized, and get more done without relying on third-party software. For users accustomed to 8.1, this is a huge step forward in workflow optimization. Security is also significantly improved. Windows 11 offers enhanced built-in protection, including hardware-based security, secure boot, and AI-driven threat detection. In contrast, Windows 8.1 no longer receives mainstream support updates, leaving it vulnerable to newer threats. If security and data protection are important to you, Windows 11 is the safer choice. However, there are some considerations for long-term users. Older software and peripherals may not be fully compatible with Windows 11, so you'll need to verify that your essential programs will work. Additionally, the learning curve for the new interface and features can be a factor, especially if you've been using Windows 8.1 for years. In summary, Windows 11 in 2026 offers a modern, secure, and productive environment, while Windows 8.1 may feel familiar but lacks updates and long-term support. For long-term users ready to upgrade hardware or embrace new workflows, the transition can be highly beneficial. But if compatibility and familiarity are your priorities, careful planning is advised before switching. If this guide helped you weigh the pros and cons of upgrading from Windows 8.1 to Windows 11, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more Windows guides and tips in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.